Are you looking for a car wash service, retail, detailing, or any type of automotive website? An e-commerce or blogging website for your car business? Introducing TNC Auto Wash eCommerce, the best automotive Webflow template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, where to get this template? To get this template, you need to visit templates.ThemeNcode.com site. Here you need to search the TNC Auto Wash. Take a look at our TNC Auto Wash template is listed. Here you can check the live preview and designer preview or all the template variants from this page. Click Buy Now to get this template from Webflow website. Now let's explore the live preview of TNC Auto Wash eCommerce. TNC Auto Wash eCommerce stands out with its smooth fusion of user-friendly design and innovative features, offering automotive businesses a versatile platform to showcase their services and products. This Webflow template includes all essential elements, pages, and sections required for an impactful online presence. This is our dynamic homepage and includes all the useful sections like our services, why choose us, image gallery, pricing plans, call to action, client testimonials, and more. Designed specifically for automotive e-commerce, it is perfect for any company that is looking for a Webflow car wash or car repair template. Now, let's check our About Us page. This is our About Us page. Here you will find high-resolution images, videos, and sliders. On this page you will find many useful sections like why choose us, team members, frequently asked questions, and client testimonials. This template empowers businesses to attract clients seeking automotive services in the online realm. Now, let's check our services page. Our services page is designed with a user-centric approach, offering a seamless journey for visitors. You will find appointments, call to action, and service details on this page. Now let's talk about our gallery page. Our templates gallery page offers a unique display of your services with high-resolution images. You can easily customize it to highlight your services or products and effectively attract more customers. Now, let's talk about our pricing page. Our pricing page has 3 different pricing sections: car wash and detailing service pricing plans, auto appearance package pricing plans, other service package pricing plans. Now, let's talk about our testimonials page. Here, you will find real stories from customers who have availed your services. Discover how businesses like yours have transformed their online presence and achieved their goals. Now let's talk about our shop page. Our shop page provides a streamlined platform for displaying products available for purchase. Each items are presented with enticing description and high-quality images, details, and prices. This is our blog page with a left sidebar. This page is a balanced proposition. Layout with main content on the right and information on the left. It includes author description, search option, categories, popular posts, and tags. Now, let's talk about our Contact Us page. Our templates Contact Us page offers a streamlined way to connect with customers. It includes a contact form, newsletter form, map, and essential contact details. Apart from this, here you will see the cart option. You will find social icons in the header of every page. So if you are looking for the best automotive Webflow template, get TNC Auto Wash eCommerce, and if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.ThemeNcode.com.